What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Guidewise. In this video, I will show you how to automatically post to all social media with Repurpose.io. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. In Repurpose.io, in the left corner, select Create Workflow. If you want to post to multiple social media platforms at the same time, for example, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, you need to select TikTok as your source. Choose your account and then select where you would like it to go. So as you can see, my videos will go from TikTok to Instagram. Now you need to follow the same process for each social media platform. So as you can see, I have TikTok to YouTube, TikTok to Instagram, and TikTok to Facebook. So now when I post a video on TikTok, it'll automatically get posted to all 3 social media platforms. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.